Are you looking to decorate your home for fall but you don't want to break the bank to do it? Then you have come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute little farmhouse sign to put on your door for fall that costs less than $5. Hi everyone, I'm Sue, and if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. But before we grab our glue guns, I just want to point out this cute little blouse that I'm wearing. It's featuring, ta-da, a piece of artwork that I did a little while ago. And if you're wondering how you can get one for yourself, stay tuned. So to make our fall sign, I have this little package of wood pieces that I got at Dollarama for $2, and then I also have this package of paper from the Dollar Tree that's fall themed. Some jute twine and these little wooden letters that spell out fall, and these really adorable little wooden fall shapes that have different leaves and fall animals on them. And I also have some ribbon that I got from Michael's, and some Mod Podge, and a foam brush, pencil, scissors, and ruler. First thing I did is laid out my 4 pieces of wood and looked at my paper to see what I wanted to have on each one. Then I traced around and cut them out. Once they were all cut out, I put down some wax paper to protect my work surface, and I put some Mod Podge on there, put a little bit on the back of each piece of paper, and affixed it to each wooden piece. I took the ruler and kind of smoothed out the paper as well, just to get rid of any air bubbles before I sealed it in with another layer of Mod Podge and let dry completely. I repeated this process with the other 3 pieces of wood and let dry completely. So if you're wondering where I got my cute little blouse at the beginning of the video, and you'd like to have some home decor or clothing items with my art on them, click on www.redbubble.com and search Sue Demchin, and I'll put a link in the description box below to my Redbubble shop. Next, I measured out the length of ribbon that I would need to hold all 4 squares and have a bit on top for a hanger and a little bit for a tail at the bottom. Once I had them spaced where I wanted them, I used my hot glue to affix the wooden squares. Now, having this grid mat underneath was kind of handy because it helped me line up the squares so that they were nice and straight. So at the bottom of my ribbon, I cut a little V and made a little dovetail at the end of my sign. And I took my glue gun again and glued the little wooden letters F-A-L-L, one on each of the wooden squares to spell fall. Next, I took out these little wooden shapes, and I got this whole box for $2, and I thought they were really cute. I've got leaves, I've got acorns, there's a squirrel, a cute little hedgehog, and I thought I would leave them plain wood, but you could also paint them if you wanted to spruce them up, but I felt I had enough color with the other decorations that the wood would be nice to show through. So I picked which ones I wanted, and then I decided to glue them on as well. And once that was all done, I thought I would still jazz it up a little bit, so I had some of these sparkly leaves left over from last year, so I thought I would just put a few here and there to make it look a little bit more pretty. To make a hanger, I flipped over the sign and bent the ribbon over and then glued it in place to make a little loop. Then I threaded a piece of the jute twine through, knotted it to make a loop, and then pulled it through so that the knot was hidden inside of the loop of ribbon. Then I hung it on my door. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and in the comment section below, let me know what other kind of fall decor you'd like to see me try to recreate. So if you enjoyed making this cute little fall sign for your front door for under $5, then you have to watch this video right now. I recreate some of the really expensive Michaels decor for less than $5 too, so click on the video.